Careful, Anne, you drown. I mean, you fall. You drown on land. Like, oh, look at how big this place is. Hello guys, okay, we just checked in our room on the cruise ship, and this one is one of the staterooms with the wide open windows, so it's actually a little bit bigger than a single inside room with no view. But look at this amazing beautiful ocean. I was not gonna get a room without a view if we're gonna do this. So stunning. And then yeah, regular queen size bed with the pull out beds as well if you have more guests. TV here. It's like a safe or something. Oh, it's like a little mini fridge right here. Very nice. Oh, it's extra charged though, obviously. And then we have, I think, more drawers, closet space. A luggage will be delivered soon. But yeah. And then this one is a little bathroom. Oh no, someone's in the bathroom. Pizza here. We got some Asian bacon right here. Very cool.
You want it? Yeah. I just need to let's make a little thing off it. Perfect. Thank you very much.
And then here we have the little bar section with more hot entrees on the side. at the cruise.
Feels like just a day or maybe two since I last saw you, but now I won't come back around if you're not trying.
Anh đi theo em nào.
In the middle of this island, okay? Where we're gonna go today is on the far east side of this beautiful island on the road to Hana. So that starts right here, goes all the way along the northern side of the island, all the way to East Maui. On this little drive, there are 620 curves and 59 one-lane bridges that we're gonna go through today. They do find one, you probably should be able to do it.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I am currently on a tour bus going the road to Hana tour. We just got off of a cruise from Honolulu to Maui. So this is our day one shore excursion, and I am so excited to take you on this
230 miles around. But as far as fishing guys, where I said you're gonna see once we get out to East Maui, once we get out to the rainforest, and kind of get by the coastline, you're gonna see the waves breaking, not out, way out in the distance, which allow you to surf those waves in. They break around the coast. The word I'm gonna teach you guys today is okole. You say okole. And I want you to hold on to your butts as we go around this tight little turn right here, okay? It's kind of a very, very sharp turn.
Yeah, those rocks are real slippery and very slow.
Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm taking you on a really fun, exciting adventure. I am currently in Maui, Hawaii, and we just got here on our first day of a tour, a cruise tour that we're taking with the NCL Norwegian Cruise Line. And this is our short excursion for the first day, and I've been going on the road to Hana Drive, which takes us around the east side of Maui, the ones that I haven't visited since the last time I came to Maui last year. But we are at this scenic lookout at the moment with this beautiful ocean. Look at this beautiful lookout, you guys. Oh, it is very nice. I forgot my sunglasses today, so I'm very irritated.
Yeah.
He should have gotten my sunglasses.
I should
But
have
look at
everything.
this
Carry
beautiful
everything. I asked you need anything. You
blue
know I'm
ocean.
good.
Blue ocean behind me. Now get out of my shot. I don't need you. Beautiful ocean view behind me, you guys. I am obsessed. I do not know where this beautiful lookout is on our Road to Hana tour map, but I will find out and leave a link for it below so you could come here as well. Alrighty guys, we are on our second stop on our Road to Hana tour. This is halfway to Hana. It's a little snack shop with apparently a very famous banana bread, shaved ice, and other little snacks that we can take on the road with us. We are on our third stop of this Road to Hana tour, and it is a beautiful waterfall. So on this ride for I think a 2-hour ride now, we passed through many waterfalls, but this one is one that we can actually swim in and take a lot of photos. So let's see. This is that beautiful waterfall. You can see a lot of people are swimming in it. There are people jumping off it. It's not that high of a waterfall, so it's not that scary. And it goes all the way down here. But it is really, really nice actually. Really, really nice weather today. Really clear, no clouds, sunny, not too hot. Wind is nice. Ooh, got a little jumper there. Alrighty guys, we are close up at this beautiful waterfall here. We have another jumper right there. People swimming here. I think the water's pretty cold though, coming from the fresh spring up there. Everywhere around me is all jungle. I have on my little bathing suit here, but I am not gonna go down and swim because we have literally no time. The guy said, our tour guy said we have to be back pretty soon. So in order to get down here in this water, you have to kind of do a little river crossing here, which is gonna take like at least 10 or 15 minutes. So cannot do that, but I do have my little cute bikini on, so we can do a little. Our next stop of our little tour, it is this, what is called the rainbow eucalyptus tree. So it's real eucalyptus, but this is naturally how the bark, how the tree grows, and you find there's a lot all around the road to Hana, as well as right here, indigenous to Maui. There's another one right here that's really, really pretty. So it's a very, very unique color. It looks like kids just hand painted these colors. I'm gonna. Sorry.
Yeah, but unless you just make a.
Really?
But yeah, the inner core is bright white.
Chocolate tasty. Guys, our next stop on this little Road to Hana tour is chocolate tasting and a little local fruit stand. Well, this one is a local chocolate, so we'll see how they're different. Yeah.
Off grid, we do everything all naturally, all organically, and the processes here on the board that we use electricity is all fossil fuel free. It's all solar and battery powered. And I say that because we do have tractors and
Alrighty guys, I've lost count of how many stops we've made, but this is, I believe, the famous black sand in Wainapa State Park, I want to say. So it's just a little bit down here. We're gonna take a really short walk down to that beach, and it's just gonna be the most beautiful black sand. I've never been on a black sand beach, so I'm very excited. I got my bikini and also my blue swimsuit ready for this. Ooh, lava too from blue. Oh my goodness. Sign me up. What is this? The black sand beach is a little bit of a walk though, so we're just gonna take this beautiful scenic walk along the beautiful ocean, the beautiful coast of Maui. A little picnic area here. I'm seeing a lot of kitties, a lot of kitty cats roaming around. So this is it's gonna be another very beautiful look up here. I mean, I've been to Maui before twice, but I've never been to this side of Maui, and it's just very lush, very green, very nature. Cool. sand beach in Maui, Hawaii. This is what it looks like. The waves are very swimmable. It's actually not that bad. I just wonder how cold the water is. But it's literally like black pebbles. Black pebbles. This is not even sand. It's like black. So cool. Oh my goodness. It's like a black rock. Famous black sand beach of Maui, Hawaii. Look at how beautiful that is. It's like black pebbles. Like I'm stepping on pebbles, kind of. It's not really like the sand that you know with the little tiny grain. So it's actually really, really cool. The waves look not too bad. Maybe I could definitely swim in there. I don't know how the water is, but we'll see. I really want to take some photos before we go though. Let's go.
Recording.
No, unew.
And watch your head, yeah?
Oh, you can take photos here. This little, it's like mermaid cave where it's like a lava tube. That's pretty. Oh my goodness, that was so pretty when we went to this little lava tube, and it kind of goes into like a little mermaid cave with the ocean, with the black sand. I got some really good photos there. This is so stunning. You have no idea. Oh my god.
River's not connected. There's a little river right below us. The majority of the actual water.
So good. Oh my god. This is a very, very beautiful ocean, coastline, scenery park. The wind is super nice. It's really nice and strong. So cooling, especially how hot it is today with the sun. But oh my god, I'm like obsessed. If you don't like Hawaii before you go to Maui and you see this, you will be so obsessed with Maui. It's really, really good. Look at that. See that mountain view over here on the other side? It is currently probably around 3 in the afternoon. We started this tour at 8:30. I am pretty exhausted, you guys, but it's worth it if you have a really short stay here on Maui and you really want to see the best of Maui. This is really, really one of the best spots that you could get right here. Ooh, look at this. Got a little salad bar going on here. We are currently at look at Brazilian barbecue dinner. Pineapple. Yeah, you have to try this. This is something
This one's coated with
different.
cinnamon and brown sugar.
Oh, sounds good. Thank you.
How you that be?
No. This coconut flan is so bomb.
Really?
That's super good. Starbucks on. This is the price of the Starbucks on the cruise ship. Not so bad actually, you guys. And then right below we have this boat model of the ship we are on. Very cool. You can see it's like a miniature size model. There's the pool, jacuzzi, the top deck. And then, ooh, there's a basketball court too. We need to figure that out so we can check it out. Big ass jacuzzi in the back here. This area we haven't been at. Lifeboat, I have no idea where we are, our room is on this model, but it looks so cool. Aloha guys, we are here on day 3 of our cruise ship tour adventure. We are on the pool deck, the very top deck of the boat, and then I see this beautiful, beautiful sunray beside me. Oh my god, how stunning is that? Welcome to Maui, right? This is just absolutely crazy. And then right here is Kahului town. Big jacuzzi right here in the back side of the boat. Very nice. It's a beautiful sunray over there. Alright, we are on the top deck, or what they call it, the sundeck of our Pride of America shipboat. And here is the almighty on-deck basketball court with the net just to make sure the ball doesn't go flying when the wind gets too crazy, I'm assuming. Oh, Jesus. We are on deck 5, which is all the specialty dining and restaurants are at. This is the first one we see, is the French restaurant here. It looks very, very Frenchy. Okay. And then I'll take you down here. Beautiful view of the port and the ocean and the mountain as always. And then we're gonna go straight down here for more. Here we go, some more specialty dining. We have Liberty Restaurants and Skyline down at the end of this hall. Here is Skyline Restaurant, and I believe Cagney's is in here as well. Let's see, this is the menu. Let's go ahead and take a look in here. I guess this one is reservation, one of the reservation only restaurants. It's giving me very Titanic vibes in here, you guys. It's kind of crazy how they mimic this, like the movie.
I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but
Okay guys, we are on the opposite end of the same floor that we were just at with the specialty dining restaurant. So this one is their Hollywood Theater and it looks like they're open already, so let's see what they have. Oh, it looks like first come first serve seating. And this is the show for tonight. Very cool. The show hasn't started yet, but you can take your own seats. Let's just go out on the other way right here. And then we'll go back into the Newbury streets with all the shopping. This is the shore excursion desk as well as the customer guest services desk, and we are on the 5th floor, which is where we pretty much check in the first time you go on this cruise, and that's like the main lobby. This is the main lobby floor. This is also where the Starbucks was, and then this is one of the complimentary dining in here. Alright. Where's the Teppan place? I don't know why it's sold out. Ooh, teppanyaki. I see. So this is the teppanyaki. You guys, we are officially leaving Maui. Oh my god. It's so windy up here. I don't know. We are sailing off, heading to Big Island on our next expedition. Oh my god. Dining at Skyline tonight. Look at this really nice decor going on here. Ooh la la. So this is the menu for Skyline. Looks very like American. Right, this is what we ordered for appetizer. I got my little spare rib with Asian spring roll and the dipping sauce. He got the almighty basic bitch Caesar salad. Here you go, if I can hate it. And then some bread and butter right here. See what it tastes like. Ooh. Okay, this is, oh, I guess this is not made to behold. Alright, this entree came. Mine is the shrimp fettuccine alfredo here. And then over there we got the New York strip with french fries and tomatoes.
One tomato, it's not just tomatoes, one tomato.
Yeah.
Very
Try
cool.
my raspberry sorbet dessert time. That's definitely Ciabatta.
Ciabatta. What is it? Dave Ciabatta.
I can't tell.